Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a really special AMX here today. It's a 1970. It's got the Ram Air. It's big bad blue with the white stripe. It's got side exhaust, factory side exhaust, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, AM FM radio. This is a loaded up AMX. It's had one owner for the last 39 years, since 1980 to 2019. It's got 69,000 actual miles on it. There's an oil change sticker in the door jamb. It goes back to 1987. It's had about 500 miles put on it since 1987. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get all the specs, photos, top to bottom, price of this car, and we have a few hundred other collector cars on there that are all for sale. That's at volocars.com. But right now, why don't you join me and we'll go for a spin in America's sports car. Corvette was not the only two-seater sports car. Yes, this is a two-seater. And it's a very clean original car. There's no rust in the body, no accident damage, no rust repair. Claimed to be the original paint. And it sure looks that way. It presents itself really well, but there'll be some little nicks touched up. It's got just enough patina where it really looks original, but it still shows great. The bumper is beautiful. Tail light lens is excellent. I don't see any cracks in the tail lights. Everything fits real nicely. It's got the wheels with the correct like gray speckle finish and then the dark charcoal centers, the right caps. These are some old tires. The metal lip around here is all clean, dry metal. Buffer rubbed thin a little bit right there. All the trim is real nice. Windshield is the original and it's crystal clear. It's got the sport mirrors. Door handles are not pitted. And like I said, that is a factory side exhaust. Ram Air, that's a functional Ram Air scoop. Front bumper is nice, bright chrome. The grille is real nice, doesn't appear to be broken or damaged. Now this one has the 360 Ram Air 4-barrel motor, factory air, factory power steering, factory power brakes. Everything in here is just super clean, original condition. All the original blue paint is real nice. The metal is spotless. Nothing's tweaked or damaged or rusted. It's got the correct snorkel with the heat riser tube off the manifold. I mean, everything looks proper. The washer bag for the windshield squirters, the cable going up to the Ram Air. This is all the original interior in really very nice shape. There is a split right in the seam on the driver's cushion. An upholstery guy can fix that. The dash is real nice. There is some pitting on top of this chrome right here. This is an original trunk compartment. The metal is spotless. It comes with the original trunk mat, and they've got a new one in here now. It's got the original Space Saver spare with the air bottle and jack. The light works, the original decal. So clean trunk compartment. The oil change stickers right here, and like I said, it's from 1987. There's just been a few hundred miles put on since this oil change. Light works in the console, the backs of the seats, the carpets, the window cranks, the steering wheel. It's all in really nice shape. Let's hear what that side exhaust sounds like. A tachometer, working AM FM radio. Really cool shifter. Got a real neat handle. You got a button on top to push. Headliner, shoulder belts, visors, it's all real nice. It even has the low fuel warning light which works. Motor is quiet and smooth. Up here, there's not a tick, not a noise at all. So this light works. Underneath, the car is real solid. The buzzer to let you know the headlights are on with the door open works. So that's what you get with a car that's not been messed around with. All the wiring is all the way it should be. And that is this car. Like I said, the low fuel light came on because it's almost on empty. The AM/FM radio plays clearly. Thing popped right over just by touching the key. So yeah, pretty cool, unique item here. They only made these for 3 years. They only made just over 4,000 of them in 1970. And this thing's really optioned out. It has that bright color. It's a great car. Go to volocars.com to get all the rest of the specs. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. We can answer all your questions about the car, the process, the shipping, the financing. So go to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to stay in touch with these great cars. We're doing a few videos a day and just constantly putting them out there, and that's the best way to see them. So thanks for watching. Hope you come back to see more.